How important is it for you to talk to your lender and your realtor on a regular basis? It's very important. The market is completely different from what it was a few months back, even a year back. So, Joe, I'm telling my clients, especially my buyers that I'm working with, that they need to talk to their lender weekly, at least once a week. How often should they be talking to you, and why should they be talking to you?
I would say weekly, you should be making a phone call just to follow up. The rates have been changing. They're actually on their way back down, even though everybody's saying they're
At the time of this recording.
At the time of this recording, Saturday, November 19th. Even though they're saying that they're going to increase the rates again in December, the mortgage rates have gone down off of their 7.25 high a week ago. Right now we're at 6.625 on the 30-year fixed.
With that changes a lot for a lot of people. So your monthly payments can change as well. You want to know before you get into buying a house, you're in contract, what your payments are going to be, what other expenses you're going to be having on a monthly basis. So that's why it's important, critical, to keep talking to your loan officer, stay in constant communication. Even after you have the offer accepted, you're in contract, you should be definitely reaching out to your loan officer, having a dialogue, whether it's through the phone, through Zoom, going to their office, or even text. You should be having a conversation with your loan officer throughout the process.
And another thing that I try to do is we've seen buy down programs become popular in the last couple of weeks. Banks can get creative at any point in time and come out with new programs. So it's very important to keep in contact with your banker in case new programs are coming out, and let them know where you are in the home buying process.
And another thing I want to point out to our buyers out there, when you're in contract, in between you're in contract and before you close, is very, 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 count how many times I'm saying very, very important that you stay in contact with your loan officer. If there's any financial differences that are happening in your situation, let them know. Hey, I got a pay raise. Hey, I needed to take some money out of the bank. Hey, my Uncle Joe is actually giving me $40,000. If you're lucky enough to have an Uncle Joe who's giving you $40,000, let them know. Do not put the money all in a lump sum into the bank. Talk to your lender first. Let them know what's going on, whether you're putting extra money in or taking money out. Let them know what the situation is, and they'll guide you to let you know how to put the money in.
And also, if we've ran your credit already, or somebody ran your credit already to do a pre-approval, please don't do anything crazy over the holiday season and run up credit cards or make a tremendous purchase like buying a car without communicating with your banker, because it will impact your debt to income ratio.
And do not co-sign. For the love of God, do not co-sign with anybody during this process. If there's Black Friday's around the corner and you're thinking about getting furniture, do not do that. Let your friends and family, let them purchase that for you. That's your housewarming gift. Do not take money for your down payment money or your closing cost money or any of that stuff. Do not dip into that to go buy furniture, even though it's a sale. Save. Let somebody else take care of that. Pay your bills. Do not co-sign. Talk to your lender. If you have any other questions, reach out to your realtor. Your realtor will guide you also to where you need to do. But talk to your lender, talk to your realtor, talk to the professionals that you're working with. If you found this valuable, interesting, or you still have questions, my contact information is in my bio.